I think that this product that I got from AliExpress is pretty handy and it's pretty useful for everyone, believe me. And what is it? What do you think? What it says in the title? Magnifying glass LED light head loop jeweler watch bright magnifier with 5 lens. And from AliExpress this thing costs $7.7 US. And of course I ordered it and I got it. It comes in bigger package with other products. That's why there is no wrapping package. And what it says? Eyeglasses bracket head band interchangeable magnifier with 2 LED upgraded version with 5 lenses and LED light. Ooh, let's see what we got. Instruction manual. I don't need it. Okay, here it is, the main part. We have the belt and whoa! Also we have a wipe for cleaning the lens. And this is the box with 5 different lenses with different magnifying. Alright, we're gonna see that. So what you're gonna receive in the package? You're gonna receive the multiple lenses times 1, times 1.5, times 2, times 2.5 and times 3.5. Product material acrylic lenses, ABS, battery, it says 3 AAA batteries not included, adjustable lens angle, adjustable LED light angle, adjustable nose bridge, 2 ways of wearing, head mount with the glass legs or with headband. Okay, so you can wear it like this, like a glasses, or you can add the belt. Alright, we're gonna try the both ways, but first, what it says, to add 3 AAA batteries for the LED light, and also we have here we have on off switch, which is nice, with 2 small white LEDs. And I need how to adjust the nose. You can't. Okay, let's open right here. Alright. Yes, we need 3 AAA batteries. So these are lithium rechargeable batteries, PUJIMAX 1100 milliwatt hours, and each battery have Type-C connector right here, and you will get this crazy cable with 4 Type-C short cables and connectors, so you can charge the batteries, all of them in the same time, like this. And only you need to plug the USB cable into the power charger, and that's it. Okay, also there will be link for this kind of batteries in description below, also for the magnifying glasses. Let's put the glasses now. Sorry, let's put the batteries. Wow. 1. Oh, this should be down. Whoa! 1 meter in the air. First the belt. Nice. The second one. And the third one. Alright. Whoa, and it's already worked. Beautiful. Let's close the lid. Oh, it's this way. Beautiful. it's pretty bright. Like it. And on this black thing that go up and down or forward, backward, we're gonna place the lenses right here. This is for your nose. And we're gonna try first, which one? ×1. Take a look. This is ×1. This is ×2. That was times 1.5. This is ×2. Alright. This one is 2.5. And you can see the difference. Alright. And 3 times magnification. Beautiful. We're gonna go with how many? 2 times. Alright, let's try it. I'm gonna add the lenses just like this. Snap. Oh, adjustable lenses and adjustable light. Beautiful. Hello. I'm gonna turn on the light. Oh, it's on. The LED light is on. Wow. This is pretty useful. And I'm sorry that I can't show you how clearly I can see the printed circuit board and all the details. This is lenses. Which one are? ×2. And also, as I said, the LED light is adjustable, and also the lenses are adjustable, just like this. So you can get closer to your eyes or further. Beautiful. Okay, let's try it this way. And take a look. Beautiful. The magnifying is beautiful. And you can change to whatever size of lenses you want. You have 5 different ones. And now I'm gonna try the belt. And it's easy to pull out. Just on this thing you need to press this down really hard. Come on. And yes, the first one. Come on. And the second one. And also we have marked left and right. So it's this way. This is left. Snap. Also on the right side. And let's try it. Beautiful. Even more stable. By the way, this mask that you are seeing on my desk is a DIY cyber deck, and right now I'm working on the cyber deck using a motherboard, a pull out from old laptop, and I'm gonna use this 9-inch HDMI screen. I will add a small keyboard, a mouse. Everything will be fit into one small box, but that is project that I need to work. Where is the light? Oh, here it is. Beautiful. What do you think? Please comment below, and I will put a link in description below so you can check it. And I think that these magnifying glasses are pretty useful for working with electronics. And they are not expensive. They are around $7 US. Alright, that was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!